Welcome to Course Grinder's fourth C++ tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at variable repetition. What would happen if we were to define the same variable more than once? So let's go ahead and actually make an example of it to see what would happen. First we'll start off with our preprocessor command as usual, include IOStream. Next we'll define our namespace using namespace std, and then we'll make our main function, which will be using integer data as always. Then you'll make the body and you'll put your return value down here. Next, let's go ahead and we'll make our variable. Let's use variable x as always. We'll say integer x is equal to 5. So we assign the value 5 to the variable x, which has integer value or integer data. Next, let's go ahead and actually print this out to just verify to see that it works. Oops, I don't know why the m's are popping up. There we go. So ahead, we print it out, cout variable x, and then the end line, and then we put the semicolon at the end, and we see we print out the number 5. Now what would happen if we were to redefine this? Now we can't go ahead and redefine x again with the integer in front of it because we already defined it as integer data. You're not allowed to redefine it with a different type of data. You see right here, we've already defined it. If we were to try to even run it, you'll see we're going to get an error message right here with redefinition of x. So if you were to redefine it, you do not redefine with the data type. You've already reserved a certain data type for the variable of x. Now, what if we were just to write x is equal to 2 now? So now you go down, you're reading it as a script, as I've said many times in this series. You're going down and you're saying, look, first thing we see, integer of x is equal to 5. We know that x is integer data, and it's equal to 5. It's assigned the value 5. And down here it says we've assigned the value 2. And then we go ahead and we print out x, and we end the line. Now what will happen? Are we going to take the original value, or are we going to take the most recent value by the time we go to the printing? Let's go ahead and press print to actually see what happens. We see we're going to get the number 2. So it looks like it's going to take the most recent value. Let's confirm this, and let's go ahead and write x is equal to 1 right after the cout. Now let's actually go ahead and print another one right here. You know what, we can even go ahead, we can go all in here, and we can print another one here. So here we go. Now we're printing each x variable, and we're changing it each time. So are we going to get a different value? Are we going to get 5, 2, and 1? What are we going to get? Let's take a look. Let's press print and we'll take a look. We're going to see that we are going to get 5, 2, and 1. So the most recent definition or assignment to that variable is going to be the one that's going to appear, and it's going to be the one that it keeps. So as you read through your script, you're going to forget what the assignment is once you see another one, but you're still going to remember that it's integer data. You're not going to forget what type of data you were using and what memory you allocated for it, but you will take the most recent number. And there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a quick video, just a little something for you guys to consider, and I'll have more coming out later on. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will respond as soon as possible. Thank you.